The EU has decided to dismantle a large part of the automotive industry. A ban on the sales of petrol and diesel cars from 2035 and a rapid phase-out of diesel trucks from 2030 will have much more serious consequences than simply reducing CO2 emissions. European manufacturers risk losing part of their production to Tesla and Chinese companies, putting Europe at risk of losing even more jobs. Manufacturing electric cars requires 30 to 40% fewer man hours compared to making a petrol or diesel car. The automotive industry will shrink no matter what happens. Electric vehicle sales may or may not continue to grow rapidly. Both alternatives will have large-scale consequences for countries. If electric vehicle sales continue to grow rapidly, demand for electricity will soon exceed supply and transport systems will break down on a large scale. If they grow at a slower rate, the transformation will slow down, and in both cases, unemployment will increase dramatically. Many employees will be needed to manufacture and install charging equipment, grid reinforcement equipment, and to build power plants, wind turbines, and solar panels. However, there are no plans developed or financial resources allocated to cover these needs. There is already a shortage of electricians and project managers and an almost complete lack of electrification strategists and architects. The transformation to electric vehicles may be a disaster for Europe. It is the biggest change in history and very few preparations have been made and too few resources have been allocated to the change of our entire transportation systems. My recent book, The Severe Economic and Social Consequences of the Rapid Change to Electric Vehicles, explains the consequences of the transition. I am sharing my knowledge about the transformation to electric vehicles through this YouTube channel. If you found this video interesting, press like and subscribe to the channel.